Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pork chops in pineapple sauce. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a large bowl. We're going to make our pineapple sauce first. I have 1 cup of brown sugar here we're going to put in. I'm also going to add in 1 cup of water. This is a very simple sauce to put together. I'm going to add in 1 cup of crushed pineapple. And I'm just going to eyeball the rest of my ingredients, or most of them. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of mustard. Just regular mustard. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together well. You talking to everybody, Dexter, huh? Guys, I'm going to let this set aside for right now. Alright guys, I have a large skillet here warming up that I put some vegetable oil in. Let me turn my heat down just a hair. And I have some boneless center cut chops. I'm going to get them in here and brown them up, season them with a little salt and pepper. We're not going to cook them through, we're just going to brown them. Alright guys, now that my pork chops are all nice and browned up, they're still raw in the middle, not cooked through. I'm going to dump that pineapple sauce on top. And I'm going to cook this on a low simmer till that sauce thickens up and the pork chops cook through for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, I left these simmer for 15 minutes uncovered. You can see the sauce is thickened up. They're cooked through, they're ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some cornbread stuffing and green beans to go with this. Dexter, I'm doing a video out here, buddy. Let me cut into my pork chop here. It's nice and tender. You can see it's cooked through. Taste here, guys. That's really good. First thing you taste is that good pork chop flavor. Then you taste the salt and pepper that I seasoned the chops with. Then you get that nice sweet from the pineapple sauce. Guys, that's really good. Sweet complements pork of any kind, ham, whatever. That's really delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Pork chops and pineapple sauce. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.